Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, July 23rd, 2024. Hope you guys are having a good day. So Mr. Market was very confused today, and he kind of messed up my trade because I was looking for the S&P to come up and test the 5590, 50, and 5600. So once we started breaking through these highs right here, yes, we had sell signals. But there was a big call, let's say the option gamma trade that was up here, and I thought I was really under the impression that we were going to come up here. So we took that trade, we got the pullback, and then we were able to get long, and we're right around, I think it was right here when we got we got in. So this is the 22nd, yeah. So we went up, we came down, and we got long right here. This was the support level, you can see. And we got the 55.60 puts, 55.70 calls. We were up with 10 contracts, up 5,000. I turned my head and we were back down. So it was not a great day, and it wasn't the actual positioning was good. I was just thinking that we were coming up here, and I did have it typed out to take the call side off here, but I said, why do it if we're going to head up to the 5600? Because every time I do that, it ends up going exactly to the target. So this one got me a little bit. It looks like we're just doing some consolidation. It's a little bit of a bull flag, but there's also this issue here, and it's a pattern that may have triggered today where we have a descending triangle. So you can see that from here, so this is the low part where we had 1, 2, 3, we came up, hit 4, and now we broke below it. So if this is the pattern, then we're looking at about a 25-point move from the downside. So let's just use 20 to keep it easy. So we're looking at a move somewhere down into the 55.40, 55.30 if this pattern is going to play out. So that's that part. Now like I said, we had bearish divergences. So this was my mistake. We should have taken it off right here. But when we look at the hourly chart, this is where I was saying that, I'm looking, it would make sense at some point that we come down and make some kind of bullish divergence here, and that would set up a better buy program for a move up. But right now, we're in really no man's land because this does look like an A-B, and if we're going to do a wave C, we could be looking at, I'm just going to put, it's going to look messy, but I'll explain what I'm doing here. So we want to do just some extensions to find out if this was the high, where is it projected to go, and does it match up with any of the fib lines? So these are both fib lines. This is just, one is an extension off of this pattern, saying if this is the high right here and we come down, 100% of ABC would bring us down to the 5409. Not saying it's going to get there, but I'm just saying if this was an ABC move, this would be this would be 100%. But typically, what happens is they come down to the 123, 138. So now we're looking at 53.72, 53.47. So it's either going to be, what is, if that pattern is in play, I would be looking at this. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take this. I'd be looking at this area right here as this support zone. So that's, this would be the buying area right here. Now, the thing is, let's just say that we're coming up and this is just an A, B, and now we're making a wave C. So if that's the case, then we're looking at a move coming somewhere up into the 56.04, which is the 62% retracement, and then we also have the 72% retracement that's up at this 56.25. So these are the upside targets, and we already know the downside. we're getting into the oversold levels, but like I said, we had some bearish divergences. We don't have bullish divergences. So it would make sense if we pull back a little bit more and form some kind of buy signals. But, this market pretty much is doing what it wants right now. So stay open-minded. I haven't even checked the futures. Hang on one second. Okay, so I actually just checked. I know Tesla and the what was it? Google was reporting. I know Tesla's down pretty good. It's down, trading down. I forget exactly. Let me pull it up. Actually, I have it right here. So Google is right now, time and sales, down only 3 points. Tesla, I think, is getting hit a little bit more here. Let's take a look, because this May. I don't really think Tesla is going to affect it that much as far as the thing, but it closed at 246, and it's looking at 229 right now. So they must have missed or said something that the market didn't like. But like I said, I think Google would have been more of a market mover than Tesla. But let's just keep an open mind tomorrow. Like I said, there is no, when we were down here, this was easy. This was an easy trade. We were coming into support. We had the buy signals. This was actually an easy trade. This is, again, my mistake on it, because we had the sell signals, and I thought they were going to ignore them, and that was wrong. But, again, we're consolidating, getting a little bit overbought. 5-minute chart, where we actually do have some bullish divergences here. So let's just see. Really, the best way to do this is if the bulls get above the 55.85, assume we're getting up to the 5600. If the bears can, take out these lows, then we're looking at the 55.40, 55.30. This is really the line in the sand for the bulls, because if they lose this, then we're probably coming back down here, and this may have been the top. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.